If it's brave, then Ratio did it. Yeah, Ranked and Miller. Hey yo, Presec, what's up? I guess I told ya we'll be overtaking, and we're doing it. Okay. The thing said, I'm a boy with a joke. The thing said, I'm a boy with a joke. Then I know that we come with a heavy banger. We're not joking, man. We're not joking. We're not joking. I real serious boys. Free plumbing boys. Free plumbing boys. The free plumbing boys. Free plumbing boys.
Okay,
you know, see?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, let me do my thing like the free plumbing. You gotta mind your own business, no bragging. I'm too proud cause I'm always grabbing. If you see me for town hall, free plumbing, I will give you $1. No yapping, it's your boy White Miller, no doubting. Yeah, now my chains are over. Gone when I suffer, but now it's over. I'm too blessed cause I have Jehovah. There's more money so I ride the rover. Yeah, fucking I don't believe in haters. You can try to piss on me, you can't even take it. I am Vincent Davis, and you know where the Davis. You can bring your name and you will get a fame. Yeah,
right.
The free plumbing boys.
Cause you know we got that dough. Spend it all when you know our flow. More money, more chicks, never mind. We are the toughest, the real bad guys. Them I want S down, me I smoke it. Bad man push shot as we love it. Yeah, cause we get a game like this. We not fear no Babylon, cause Babylon walls are gonna crumble down. Ranked gonna crumble down. Gonna live it for my boy White Miller, tell them more.
Okay, it's your boy Young Miller. I get this one for you. Okay, last real life is all to live, not against that to make it rain in your life. Open a new chapter and try to praise Jehovah's name every day after. My that you will be at that be a my job. It's on none I wash it with ya with a share with how far. Cause life is a tunnel that everyone must follow. It is full of trouble, that is always hollow. You lost someone else is also another sorrow. You have to survive today, there is no way for tomorrow. With success in your life, you can wear your shirt to the yellow. Then be street hustlers, so they always make the zero. If you mess up with the man, I'm gonna bend your ass like Nero. Yeah, it's all about a free plumbing.
The thing said, I'm a boy with a joke. The thing said, I'm a boy with a joke. Then I know that we come with a heavy banger. We're not joking, man. We're not joking. We're not joking. I real serious boys. Free plumbing boys. Free plumbing boys. The free plumbing boys. Free plumbing boys. You know, see?